Advertising on Google from start to finish, complete walkthrough. Advertising on Google can be a highly effective way to reach your target audience and achieve your business goals. This in-depth walkthrough will guide you through the entire process, from setting up your Google Ads account to launching your campaigns and optimizing for success. Step 1. Account Setup. Visit Google Ads website. Start by going to the Google Ads website, ads.google.com. Create your account. Click on the Get Started button and follow the prompts to create your Google Ads account. Provide your email, business name, and website. Billing information. Enter your billing details. You'll be charged only when your ads receive clicks or impressions. Step 2. Understanding Google Ads structure. Campaign types. Google Ads offers different campaign types, such as search, display, video, shopping, and app campaigns. Choose the one that aligns with your goals. Campaign goals. Define your campaign goals. Are you looking for website traffic, sales, leads, brand awareness, or app downloads? Step 3. Creating your first campaign. Campaign settings. 1. Choose the campaign type based on your goals. 2. Set the campaign name, start, end dates, and budget. 3. Choose the geographic locations where your ads will appear. 4. Select languages for your target audience. Bidding strategy. 1. Choose a bidding strategy. Options include manual CPC, target CPA, and target ROAS. Ad extensions. 1. Utilize ad extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets to enhance your ads. Step 4. Keyword research and ad groups. Keyword research. 1. Use the Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords for your business. 2. Group keywords by themes that reflect your products or services. Creating ad groups. 1. Organize keywords into ad groups based on their relevance and similarity. 2. Each ad group should have a specific focus to improve ad relevance. Step 5. Crafting compelling ads. Ad components. 1. Write compelling headlines that grab attention. 2. Craft descriptive and engaging ad descriptions. 3. Include relevant keywords in your ad copy. Ad copy guidelines. 1. Focus on unique selling points and benefits. 2. Create a clear call to action, CTA, that prompts users to take action. Step 6. Ad extensions. Site link extensions. 1. Include direct links to specific pages on your website. 2. Highlight different products, services, or offers. Call-out extensions. 1. Add short phrases that highlight key features or benefits of your business. Step 7. Conversion tracking. 1. Set up conversion tracking. Install the Google Ads conversion tracking code on your website. Define what constitutes a conversion, such as a purchase, sign up, or contact form submission. Step 8. Ad review and approval. 1. Review and submit. Review your campaign settings, keywords, ad copy, and extensions. Submit your campaign for review. Google will review and approve your ads before they go live. Step 9. Launching your campaign. 1. Monitoring and optimization. Monitor your campaign's performance in the Google Ads dashboard. Observe metrics like impressions, clicks, click-through rate, center, and conversions. Step 10. Optimization and refinement. Keyword optimization. 1. Regularly review and refine your keyword list based on performance. 2. Remove irrelevant or underperforming keywords. Ad copy testing. 1. Experiment with different ad variations to identify which ones perform best. 2. Test headlines, descriptions, and CTAs. Budget allocation. 1. Allocate budget to campaigns that are delivering the best results. 2. Adjust bids and budgets based on performance data. Quality score improvement. 1. Improve ad relevance and landing page experience to enhance your quality score. 2. A higher quality score can lead to better ad positions and lower costs. Negative keywords. 1. Regularly add negative keywords to exclude irrelevant search queries. Step 11. Scaling and growth. Scaling successful campaigns. 1. As you see positive results, consider increasing your budget for well-performing campaigns. 2. Explore expanding to new geographic areas or targeting broader keywords. Regular monitoring. 1. Continuously monitor campaign performance and make adjustments as needed. Step 12. Continuous learning. Stay updated. 1. Google Ads is constantly evolving. Stay informed about new features and industry trends. Resources. 1. Utilize Google's Help Center and Academy to learn more about advanced strategies and best practices. Step 13. Seeking professional assistance. 1. Digital marketing agencies. If managing Google Ads becomes overwhelming, consider hiring a digital marketing agency to optimize and manage your campaigns. Step 14. Advanced strategies and techniques. Ad customizers. 1. Use ad customizers to dynamically insert details like prices, countdowns, and location-specific information in your ads. This adds a personal touch and enhances relevance. Dynamic search ads. 1. These ads automatically generate headlines and landing pages based on the content of your website. They can be particularly useful for large e-commerce sites or websites with frequently changing content. Location-based targeting. 1. Utilize location-based targeting to tailor your ads to specific regions, cities, or even specific geographic radiuses around your business. Audience targeting. 1. Create custom audiences based on user behavior, such as website visitors, previous customers, or users who interacted with your app. Remarketing lists for search ads, RLSA. 1. Target users who have previously visited your site with customized ads when they search again on Google. Advertising on Google is a dynamic process that requires continuous learning, optimization, and adaptation. By following this complete walkthrough, you'll be well equipped to create and manage effective campaigns that help you achieve your business goals. Remember that experimentation, data analysis, and staying informed are keys to success in the world of Google Ads.